Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make Canva text three-dimensional. First, open your design and select the text you wish to modify. Then, locate the Effects tab at the top of your editor. From there, you'll find various options to enhance your text. We'll begin by applying a simple shadow effect to give your text an immediate sense of depth and dimension. This is the quickest way to achieve a foundational three-dimensional appearance. To further enhance the three-dimensional quality, consider using the lift effect. This makes your text appear to float above the background, adding another layer of depth. When combined with a subtle shadow, the effect becomes even more striking. Additionally, applying an outline can significantly define your text's edges, making it pop. Experiment with different outline thicknesses, perhaps between 1 and 5 pixels, and contrasting colors to achieve your desired visual impact. For a more advanced three-dimensional look, try duplicating your text layer. Place the duplicate directly behind the original, then slightly offset it by a few pixels, perhaps 2 or 3, in a chosen direction. Changing the color of this bottom layer to a darker shade creates a realistic shadow or extrusion. This layering technique provides a custom, robust, three-dimensional appearance. Remember to group your layers afterward for effortless resizing and repositioning within your design. Customization is key to perfecting your three-dimensional text. Don't hesitate to experiment with various font styles. Bold, blocky fonts often work best. Select colors that provide strong contrast between your text, its three-dimensional elements, and the background. Always prioritize readability, ensuring your message remains clear, even with added effects. While three-dimensional text is visually appealing, use it judiciously. Overuse can make your design appear cluttered, so aim for impact rather than saturation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.